Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my AI Graphics Factory video review. AI Graphics Factory AI powered. In just one click, turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing graphics that'll 10x your sales instantly with no graphic skills, tools or budget. Create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos for your blogs, websites, ads, social media and more. Sign up to get lowest price when we go live. Rocket your traffic, leads and sales with AI Graphics Factory in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword or phrase. Select from our 30+ different and unique styles and click Generate. Step 2. Our AI instantly creates amazing graphics and displays them. Select, edit, modify with our powerful inbuilt image editor. Step 3. Download or share directly to your blog, website, social media, anywhere you want and skyrocket your engagement, traffic and sales. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.